Hi guys, I will explain to you how you can put the A4 sheet together. Already number is mentioned on the file 1 2 3 4, and you see I show you. This is a borderline. This is a borderline. The four side is borderline. You just cut the pattern in borderline. I will show you. This is page this is page number 1, and you can cut the right hand side. This is my right hand, and you can cut first right hand side line, border line, and this is 2 number. You can cut right hand side, and every corner is 1/4 circle is showing. I show you, this is a 1/4 circle. You should match the circle. This is a 1/4 circle. The circle is last one. You don't cut because this one is last one. You don't cut, you just cut on the border line, right hand side, and after cutting the border you can just glue on the left side of border, and you can match together. Okay, like this. You just put the line. And same. You see the 1/4 side circle is match. When your one line is done, you can cut the second line. Nineteen, 20, 18. This is just for the only process. I show you only for the process. You can cut same right hand side. Cut the every page. You can cut first right hand side. And you can same like first one. Yeah, it's done. When your pattern is done, and you can cut this one line. You can cut upper side or you can cut lower side, doesn't matter. You just cut the only one side like this. After cutting, you can put together and match the circle. You see, now is your circle is complete. I hope you understand very well. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, bye.